Hey Slay Baddies, welcome back to another video. Today I have two pre-algebra questions for y'all. Question number 1, how much greater is 2003 over 25 plus 25 than 2003 plus 25 as like the numerator over 25? Well, you guys can see the screen, right? Basically, there is a formula system, I don't really know what it's called, but it's like when you have an A and B and C and then you arrange them into some sort of order to prove something. Basically, if we have A and B as your numerator over C, and we want a little Jimmy, little Billy Bone Johns, he wants to take apart this equation. So he would get, if he solved it correctly and his teacher actually helped him, it would be A over C plus B over C. We've got it to this stage now. Let's look at this, which looks strikingly familiar to this as well. If we made A 2003, B 25, and C 25 as well, then if we add that into our equation, we would get 2003 over 25 plus, 25 over 25 is 1. But then this equation is starting to look shockingly also like this equation above. Well, not this equation and similar, but like this equation. Except if this front thing, if these two fronts are the same, but this one is adding 25 and this one is adding 1, how much greater is it? Is this than this? How much greater is 25 than 1? Boom. No solving necessary, except you do need to know a couple formulas, but those are easy to memorize. What between which two consecutive integers is 1603 over 80 minus 62 over 7? So, please do not try making the denominator the same on this. You will, bro, come on. So, if we are trying to find the consecutive integers, we know that 1,600 divided by 80 is 20. It's 20, right? So we can write this using the formula above, as I just said, AC plus BC. We can write it as 20 plus 3/80. And since this is in parentheses, except you kind of just don't show it here, 62 over 7. What is the closest thing that comes to mind? You get 63 over 7, which is also equivalent to 9. So 9 minus 1/7. Because this is slightly less than 9. If we lift the parentheses here, then we would get 20 plus 3/80 minus 9 plus 1/7. We minus 20 and 9. And we would get 11 plus 3/80 plus 1/7 plus 1/7. And stop right there. Do not go any further. Because as you can see, it is asking you not exactly what it is, but between what two consecutive integers it is. So, we know that 3/80 plus 1/7 is not going to equal 1. Or anything greater than 1. It's only going to be less than 1. So it's not going to start reaching 12s. So if it's going to be 11 plus something that is less than 1, it is going to be in between 11 and 12. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys learned something new. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Daily smiley face.